Time to open and adjust this controller. I've got the controller unplugged. Definitely checked that before I got started. And it's got a single screw here in the bottom, and this controller is plastic. I don't know if it's Bakelite or whatever, it's a black plastic. This is a self-tapping screw, and then this metal plate comes off, and this controller is filthy inside. So I'm gonna take a minute to vacuum that out, and then you can already see that the carbon is really burnt, so I have a feeling that it's got some crushed carbon in there, but I believe there's an adjustment I can make on this, so we'll see what I can do. But first, cleaning. Clean this up and did a closer inspection. Remember, this pedal is not doing anything until it's almost all the way pushed down, but it's got a brass contact that's supposed to touch the carbon piles, and on one side that brass contact is completely burnt out. So it's actually the steel bracket that is contacting on this side, causing all this arcing and problem. And let's see. Yeah, the piles are pretty even. When I push them in, they push in about the same distance. So I'm gonna get pliers here, and I'm gonna just gently, I'm gonna need 2 pliers for this. Bend the steel piece in a little bit. Yeah, it starts contacting sooner now. All right. All right. Yeah, that little bit of a bend we'll try and make that work. Still not ideal. This controller is going to be, if that bend didn't work and this controller is still not very responsive, I will probably just replace it and tell the owner that the controller was bad, because the rate I get for this work is not, you know, restoration rates. So certainly if they wanted this controller rebuilt, it could be done, but again, this is just a plain everyday service, not a restoration rate job. So we'll give that a test and see if it's a little more responsive, and if it's a bit more responsive, we'll leave it at that.